Are you looking for the best 2-burner gas cooktop? In this video, we will break down the top 4 2-burner gas cooktop on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. NOXTON Cooktop. Two dishwashers, 10236 BTU, 5971 BTU, higher efficiency, powerful energy efficient, instantaneous heating, complete gas, boil, stew, fry, stir fry, change from one way to another as required. This 2-burner gas cooktop from the stationary cooktop uses automatic thermocouple protection, which suggests that the gas is turned off, so helping avoid gas leakage if no fire is detected. Made from 100% stainless steel high with heavy cast iron assistance, durable Bakelite knobs for simple maintenance and cleaning, flame failure device, producing simple, secure and pleasurable for cooking. This stainless steel gas hob is a plug-in and extends unit which may be set up quickly and easily, digital ignition system, no battery needed. Having an LP gas conversion kit could be changed into liquefied gas to fulfill your requirements. Automatic ignition through rotating controller, flexible and precise gas alteration. Front controller, natural gas and LPG use. The package includes an LPG conversion kit. At number 2. Ramblewood Cooktop. Ramblewood Gas Cooktop GC2-43N natural gas has a dimension of 12 W x 20 D inches. It has a 2-burner setup that ensures high efficiency. The burners have a new design to achieve 20 to 30% saving. Its surface is made from stainless steel, and it has a heavy-duty cast iron pot stand. It has an electric ignition, and it also features a safety device incorporated with a thermal couple and flame-out failure detection trigger system. It also has an automatic shut of the gas supply. Ramblewood Gas Cooktop GC2-43N is also great for kitchens because of its efficiency and modern design. At number 3. GASLAND Cooktop. Equipped with stainless steel industrial-grade cookware and a 100% brushed aluminum exterior, the GASLAND Chef GH30SF 2-burner gas stove is perfect for any style kitchen while delivering durable and reliable performance. The built-in size features 2-burner, 15000 BTU semi-rapid burners and 6500 BTU rapid burner. Equipped with triple sealed valves and designed to deliver ultra-high heat efficiently, you can be confident that this appliance will provide the cooking power you desire every single time. The patented drop-in mechanism creates an unmatched installed stove system by simply mounting under your existing countertop up to 4-inch thick or mounting inside a cabinet. The stainless steel design is perfect for any kitchen decor. At number 4. Thermomate Cooktop. The Thermomate 2-burner gas cooktop is the perfect way to provide an outdoor kitchen for all of your cooking needs, making food beautifully and quickly without having to worry about heat overages. The 9500 BTU triple ring wok burner is great for large amounts of food or food that requires a higher temperature, such as simmering and braising, and the 5000 BTU semi-rapid burner allows you to make foods like potatoes in oil with high temperatures. It is also capable of multi-purpose such as RVs, family needs, small kitchen, etc. One major highlight is its durability, that can last for generations to come with stainless steel grade surface combined with front plastic metal composite knobs that will survive heavy-duty cooking. Additionally, it comes in various stylish colors, so bringing this to your kitchen will bring you joy not only today, but many days long after. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.